Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to open an application Contacts, then tap here, go to its settings, then select import or export. So let's import, for example, from the SIM card to the internal storage. Here you can select contacts which you want to import, so let's select all of them and then just tap import, keep. And 7 contacts from your SIM card have been moved to your internal storage. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.